Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class on Surya Bhedana Pranayama. In this session, we're going to see what is this breathing practice, what are the benefits of doing this practice, how to do the practice, how to progress with the practice, when to do the practice, and who should avoid it. Surya Bhedana means Surya is sun, Bhedana is to pierce or activate the sun's energy. Here it stimulates the Surya Nadi or the Pingala Nadi. Coming to the benefits of this practice, this is a heating pranayama, so it's great to do in cold weather, increases metabolism. If you're looking at weight loss, this is a good practice to include. It is an energizing practice, so if you're low on energy, if you feel, if you're not focused, then this increases alertness because it stimulates the sympathetic nervous system. It increases blood circulation in the body. So if you're suffering from low BP, this is another practice that you can include. How to do Surya Bhedana Pranayama is sitting in a comfortable seated position. Here like me in Sukhasana or any other meditative pose like Siddhasana, Siddhayonihasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana. Two things to remember is the back needs to be straight. If you need to, you can always take the support of the wall or your backrest when you're on a chair. The second thing is to practice in a clean, well-ventilated room with enough fresh air circulating. Because that is what you're going to draw your life force energy, your prana. Now, how you're going to place your hands? Your left hand is in receiving position or in chin mudra, thumb and index finger touch. Rest it on your knee or thigh. The right hand, thumb is going to open and close your right nostril. Ring finger opens and closes the left nostril. You can pointer and middle finger rest it in the space between your eyebrows or fold it into your hand into Nasika Mudra. The important thing here is that you're comfortable to open and close the nostril. So here we're going to breathe in through our right nostril and breathe out through our left nostril. We can either keep equal breath wherein you're breathing in for 4 and exhaling for 4, or you're inhaling for 4 and start increasing the length of your exhalation. So 4 is to 6 and eventually going 4 is to 8. The 1 is to 2 ratio. Now with your ring finger, close your left nostril. First round, completely breathe out through your right. Remember to keep your face relaxed, shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed. Now inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. We'll just increase the exhalation slightly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do 5 rounds together. Close your left nostril. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril. Exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the left. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close your right. Exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to count in your mind. Close left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Completely exhale through your left. Slowly drop your hands down, noticing if there's any difference or you sense any difference between your nostrils. Breathe in through both your nostrils, breathe out through both. And whenever you feel ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. It's always good to do this practice and then follow it by doing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, which again is a balancing pranayama, balances the right and left energy channels in our body. So when you should do this practice, preferably in the morning before your yoga practice, or just to give an energetic start to your day. Who should avoid this practice? If you are suffering from any cardiovascular disease, high BP, then avoid. If you have acidity, any peptic ulcer, then avoid this practice. How to progress with your practice? You can begin with 9 rounds, slowly move to 18 and 27. The other way is to increase the length of your inhalation and your length of your exhalation. Just remember to keep it in a ratio of 1:2. If your inhalation, you're breathing in for 4, try and exhale for 8. Today we just did 6 because if you're just beginning, just to understand how to do the practice. Second way is you can include a pause between your inhalation and exhalation. So you're retaining your breath in. I'll give a more detailed write-up on how to progress in the description. To get the most benefit out of this practice, it's important that you do this regularly. And if you're looking at weight loss, you can combine Surya Namaskara along with this practice. I'll leave a link up here. If you have any questions, queries related to this practice or anything yoga, write to me in the comments. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.